Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my Taylor Swift Ivy-inspired design. Start off by painting all of your nails light gray. When the polish is dry, use a slightly darker gray to make the outlines of stones all across the nail. Fill in the areas between the stones with the same gray. Once you're happy with the shape of your stones, use a medium gray to add shading between them. Darken some areas where the stones meet even further with a dark gray. Add highlights to the stones with a sheer white and shadows with a medium gray. You can use some of the original light gray polish to blend between the highlights and the shadows. Seal in the stone design with a top coat. Next, use a variety of green polishes to make ivy leaves on the stones. I like to have a mix of light and dark green leaves to give the design some contrast. Using a dark gray, add stems and drop shadows to the ivy. I didn't top coat the nail again after adding the ivy because I like the texture of the leaves, but if you want to protect your design, then seal it in with a top coat and you're done. All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!